and welcome to my channel. Now for today's video, it's just going to be a little random one, little weird one, and because my room's a little bit of a mess, which I don't want it to be, I'm going to be vacuuming my room. Plus, I will be doing other things that are weird. People have been requesting this video ever since, and I've been like, kind of not leaving it, you know, procrastinating about it, but I've had a couple of video ideas because my video is not just about one topic, it's about like my life and stuff like that. So that's why I haven't been really doing it, is because this channel is about, like, you know, my life, my stories, just everything to help you guys out with everything like that. So yes, as people know, I do this, and I just want people to know that this channel is not just about one topic, it's about every topic in the world. But yes, it's about sharing my life and sharing stories about my life that have happened to me that could help you guys possibly. But yes, so this is, I'm going to give you guys a quick sneak peek of my room. As you guys can see, I haven't got my hair up done pretty, I've just got a singlet on here, but that's nothing. And yeah, so I'm going to be getting the vacuum cleaner. I'm going to be vacuuming a little bit. First of all, I'll be doing my whole room, so I hope that helps. Let's see what the animals are doing, because we have a few animals around. I have a cat around, and that cat doesn't like me. Let's see if we can find him. Where are you, kitty? Ow. We have a wasp nest over there. You see it? I'm not going to get too close. See right there. But that's it. So we have a guinea pig. As you guys can probably tell in my latest videos, I'll show you guys the guinea pig. But this is the guinea pig right here. Guinea pig, where are you? It's in this little house. There's a little house right there. But yes, and this is the makeshift pool that we created. We just hung it up and stuff like that. Makeshift pool. But yes, things are just okay here. I don't know where the animals are. The animals are hiding somewhere. They normally hide around whenever I take out the camera. I think they know that I'm vlogging, so yeah. What you doing?
Yeah, and I don't want to jeopardise it for her either, because, you know, it might not be me that she can help.
She's talking to her guys.
And help her siblings, children maybe, with sponsorship or whatever else it takes to...
Alright. So I'm going to go quickly check the mailbox, because I have a package coming soon-ish, and it's to do with the videos, my videos, and help them out a lot. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be seeing if my package has come, and if it has, that'll be awesome, because yeah. So this is the junk mail we get. This is junk mail we get. Yes, if you can hear that sewing, it's my mum. So we get this type of, oh my gosh, the way they do it. So we get Target. If you have a Target where you are, then yeah, we have Target there. That's just my sister's shoe. Target. Then we have, that went curl over. What happened? And then we have Harvey Norman Spotlight. So that's Spotlight right there. There's Harvey. What the heck is this? Oh, Harvey Norman. Okay. Stratco. You know what Stratco is? Stratco is a place where you can get like barbecue things and like things for your shed and stuff like that. But yeah, pretty weird, pretty awkward. Then we have Webco and we have Harvey Norman again. So that's all that. But yes, things are pretty okay. I'll be getting the vacuum cleaner now, which is over here. I don't know who my mom's talking to. Okay, I'm gonna have to try and do this with one hand because I honestly couldn't do it. There you go. So the camera's a little janky, that's okay though. Okay, so I got it all set up, it's right here. And yeah, I will be vacuuming. I won't be vacuuming my room because that takes a long time. So, but I'll be vacuuming just anything I can, mainly. Now again, I won't just be vacuuming like I'll try and vacuum stuff, but this channel, I hope I don't lose any of you guys, is considered my life. So I don't just vacuum my whole life. Sometimes I do, but I just normally, you know, do this, do that, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what to vacuum and stuff like that. So if you guys want to, I want to see what's in here actually. Okay, cool. Okay, we've got things that we can get. Cute. Ew. Look at that. That's gross. Anyways, so yes, I'll be vacuuming random stuff. All my socks are in the wash because I went out the other day and my dog decided to pee all over them, so yay for me! Ah. I'm such a weird person. Anyways, so I'll be vacuuming some stuff. So, let's get started. Procrastination in this video will go on forever. I am super weird. Okay, that's one foot. Ridiculous, sorry, ma. Okay. I'm going to do the top of it. I'm not flexible, so please be wet. Alright. Kylie Jenner. This is how Kylie Jenner gets her big lips. No offense though. Like that. No, she doesn't. I'm just joking. Don't do it, kids. This is just a joke, so don't do it. Unless you want to get in trouble. Oh my goodness. Huh. Oh, that feels so good. This is one way to get rid of nits. Or if you have an itchy scalp, or dandruff, or just anything like that. Just one way. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna try my brush now. I'm gonna turn it up. Alright. This is my singlet, guys. See, my singlet. What the heck was that? And I think I can close it. Actually, I was going to do... actually I can't, otherwise I break everything. Yeah, I'll break every single thing. That is done! So, I'm just going to do this. People wanted me to do more objects, but I can't really do it when they're wet because it will actually destroy it. And people saying, you know, all this, but that's okay. I respect you guys. I love you guys, and you guys are just awesome. So how the heck did that go back in? You know how hot I am now after all that. Alright, so I'm gonna take you guys now, and I will be just doing something, and it's not me, so let's go. I'm taking you guys along for the ride. Now, because I said to you guys ages ago that I was gonna be doing this. I just landed on my foot. We got full need to clean, but that's okay. I honestly want to thank you guys for everything. Alright, so that is done. Alright. So I think that's the video done basically. I like the lighting right there, but that's okay. So we are almost to 100. Can you guys believe that? Almost to 100. But yes. So I'm not in the video here mainly because yeah. If you guys like, my announcements are, if you guys do like to if you guys would like to have a room tour, all you have to do, the subscriber special is that's what I'm going to call it from now on, subscriber special. Every 100 we get up to, like 100, 200, 300, I'll be doing something really special, and I'll be making cool things happen. Like, for example, for the subscriber special, this time, because I'm going to be telling you guys, because I love you guys, I'll be telling you guys that for the subscriber special, it's going to be a room tour this time, and the room tour is like my whole room, but in more detail. And then I'll be doing a giveaway, and I'm going to be starting my shout outs, because why not? It's just awesome. Anyways, yeah, so that's basically it. Plus, I know I talk a lot in my outro, but that's because I want to let you guys know, fully understand what I'm going to be doing and how and stuff like that. So yes, if you guys did like this video, please make sure you comment that down below. Give this video a thumbs up, of course. Comment down below what video I should do, or if I should let my 8-year-old sis or my 10-year-old brother control my life for a day. I want to see how that turns out. And yes, so yes, comment down below if I should get them to control my life for a day, and just subscribe to my channel if you're new. And yes, let's have our Brittsquad grow and grow and grow, because if you subscribe, you're part of the Brittsquad now, and the Brittsquad is amazing. By the way, I have new merch coming your way. It's gonna be fire. When I mean fire, it's gonna be fire. You'll see what I mean when you see it. But anyways, that will be coming out. I'm gonna stop with this video because it's taking too long. But yes, if you guys want to see any challenges or any control my lives or any of that, make sure you comment that down below, and I will get that done for you. But for now on, I think this will be the last vacuuming video for the next 2 to 3 months, mainly because I got a few more other ideas that you guys would love to know about me, and I hope everything's all good, because everything's all good this way. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later, family, and I need a better name than the Brittsquad. Comment down below if you know a better name for this channel, or if I should just keep on Brittsquad, because I think I should just, I don't know what I should do. I'm thinking about changing the name, or changing the name to a more permanent and special name for us, or, you know, keeping it as Brittsquad. Your choice. Comment your answers and your opinion, and we'll have a vote in the next video. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later, and remember, I post daily. If you want to be the first to watch my videos, make sure you press that bell button, and yeah, everything will be a-okay. Alright, see you guys. Bye.